How to use ChatGPT for health treatments. ChatGPT, as an AI language model, we must remind you that ChatGPT is not a medical expert and it cannot diagnose or provide medical advice. However, it can provide general information on health treatments and conditions. Here are some examples of how you can use ChatGPT for health treatments. 1. Ask about symptoms. If you are experiencing symptoms, you can describe them to ChatGPT and ask for information on potential causes or treatments. For example, what are the common causes of headaches, or how can I treat a sore throat? 2. Inquire about treatment options. You can ask ChatGPT for information on treatment options for specific conditions or injuries, such as what are the treatment options for back pain, or what are the best treatments for anxiety. 3. Learn about medication. You can ask ChatGPT for information on specific medications, such as what are the side effects of ibuprofen, or how does Tylenol work. 4. Seek general health advice. You can ask ChatGPT for general health advice, such as what are some ways to improve my sleep, or how can I stay healthy during cold and flu season. 5. Ask for information on specific conditions. You can ask ChatGPT for information on specific conditions, such as what are the symptoms of diabetes, or what are the treatment options for high blood pressure. Remember that ChatGPT is not a substitute for medical advice from a qualified healthcare professional. If you have any specific health concerns or questions, it's always best to consult with a doctor or other healthcare provider. Here are some reliable resources that you can use for health treatments. Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic is a non-profit medical center that provides accurate and up-to-date information on a wide range of health conditions and treatments. You can visit their website to access information on symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and more. Medline Plus. Medline Plus is a website maintained by the National Library of Medicine that provides reliable information on a variety of health topics, including symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and medications. You can visit their website to access information on a wide range of health conditions and treatments. WebMD. WebMD is a popular online health information resource that provides information on symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and medications for a variety of health conditions. You can visit their website to access information on a wide range of health topics. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. The CDC is a government agency that provides accurate and up-to-date information on a wide range of health topics, including infectious diseases, chronic diseases, and other health issues. You can visit their website to access information on a variety of health topics. Healthline. Healthline is an online health information resource that provides information on symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and medications for a variety of health conditions. You can visit their website to access information on a wide range of health topics. These resources are all reliable and frequently updated, and can provide you with accurate health information and treatment options. However, always remember that it is important to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for specific medical advice and treatment recommendations.